Hello, this video is to provide information to the providers on how to access their data. You would use the same URL that the parent and child dyads use to access the survey. Once here, you would go to login, which is in the upper right-hand corner. We provide the login information for you in terms of username and password. Once you're logged in, on the left-hand corner, upper left-hand corner, you see there's a tab for reports and profile. We build your profile in the system on the back end, so there's nothing there for you to do. Under reports, you will see only the data for your clinic. As you can see here, I can see all the data from my clinic. This is all test data. You can also tell us who you want to have access to the data from your clinic, and we can add them in and build their profiles as well. You can download all your reports. You can even customize this and download all your reports for the week, all your reports for the month, or all of your reports for the time that you're using the survey. So that's here. You can also download reports one by one. When you download the report, it downloads in an Excel file. That's very easy to use, easy to make figures or graphs or anything you want to make. You can also do show report, in which you can just see the report right on your screen. Parent has social determinants of health questions that they answer, and the child answers social determinants of health questions that are typically right here. Looks like this kid did not answer any questions. Here, this child got through 3 questions, and typically you would see 3 more questions here, but this is a test user. All right, please let me know if you have any additional questions about accessing the data from your parent-child dyads who complete the social determinants of health screening tool.